Hello guys, and welcome again to another episode of Cooking at Fantasy Kitchen KA, where I'm going to make this delicious baked chicken and fettuccine pasta. First of all, I want to thank you for all the subscription you've given me. The number is growing up and we are over 150 subscribers. Thank you so much. On this recipe, I'm having 500 grams of chicken boneless plus few ingredients that I'm going to use, which are going to be listed on my description box as usual. And I also have 2 cups of red cherry tomatoes that I'll be using in this recipe today. I went ahead and cleaned the chicken, but dried it with serviettes, and at the moment I'm trimming the extra fats. And at this moment, everything is well incorporated. The chicken, the tomatoes, the spices, the aroma that is coming out of it is amazing. I'll proceed to the oven that is preheated to 190 degrees Celsius, then bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. On the other side of the cooker, I'm preparing the pasta water. And as I said before, the secret for making a good pasta is through salting. So I'm going to let it simmer here, and when it's bubbling like this, I'll add in my pasta. And the pasta that I'm using today is Fettuccine by Barilla. I've added in 250 grams of fettuccine pasta. I'm stirring it clockwise for it to loosen. Then I'll be cooking it for 6 minutes. If it's not ready or al dente by then, I'll give it an extra cooking time of 1 or 2 minutes. It's 25 minutes past the baking time, and the chicken is soft, the tomato is tilted down, and all I'm going to do is shred it with the fork to get the small particles. Six minutes on the dot, and the pasta is perfectly al dente. I'll go ahead and mix it with the chicken, and then as usual, I save the pasta water so that it doesn't come out dry, and I'll proceed with the plating. You can be as generous as you like with the cheese, and that is the Parmesan I'm adding in, and the flavor that is coming out of it is amazing. I did an extra plate garnished with parsley and Parmesan just to distinguish the flavor, and it came out so yummy. And just like that, our filming is over, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do like, comment, give a thumbs up, and until next time, buon appetiti.